good thing. Ration card comparison has taken, just we are digitizing now, not taken up properly. Land record is one of the area. Old age pension is one of the application. Lokvani, Mr. Amod Kumar is here. Which one public grievance handling system is a PP model. It's all we are rewarded as a Prime Minister award for this thing service. Then Tahsil Divas is Vahan. There is a lot of land registry applications. There are many applications in the pipeline. Each district, we 11 lakh service. We have been a state-of-art counter at least 6 places where the public can come and avail the services. And we have been taking off around 23 services. The most demanded services are caste certificate. These all digitally signed, and these are all basically digitally signed certificates. So all CSCs, Common Service Center, as Gujarat person was saying, other CSC, now these people can apply, villagers can go to CSC, the system is ready. Is working for last 1.5 years, and CSC can, villagers can go to nearest internet Hava, and he can apply for certificate, and with digitally signed certificate being issued. And 11 boys given certificate, and they got admission outside UP, and I don't think nobody have been nowhere people said please bring me traditional ink signed one. So it is, we are happy that we made some changes, and which getting accepted to create an environment that the government service reaches to the village through e-district program, which is kind of a smart collectorate. And this is the kind of profile, a scholarship which we are providing almost around 417 lakh students. And this is a kind of pre-matric, those who are pre-matriculation, there is a post-matriculation, is amount. It's huge amount. If we can just eliminate the middleman, the scholarship directly going to, we do not believe for last 3 years we are doing for scholarship. Many states like even Maharashtra, we have gone there, they are trying to take our model. Many people came to understand our model, where we are limited directly to, there no delay, so that boys actually village a person should go for good education. Land record in Uttar Pradesh, we have been totally all land record. The site is bhulek.up.nic.in. Entire site we made so user friendly that simply you can, without knowing Hindi letter, you can search your name. Just click just a mouse, nothing else. You can able to get all your land information. And entire detail. 2.5 crore farmers, around 25 lakh plots. 25 crore plots have been all digitized, put on the net, and any person belongs to UP, anywhere studying, I can able to access his information. That way we find that sometimes we get good feedback outside UP, those who are in even US remaining, they say at least they keep on watching from that outside country that my property is intact, my father's name property, no mafia has grabbed his land, actually his property is still intact into his name. So this is the initiative we have taken. Then some of the this is a profile where we are saying that land record comparison actually is the first entire, few state has only brought, there is no password. Anybody can go to the site, you can access any information, even the land details of even Chief Minister can be accessed. And I think probably this initiative we have been done for UP. I think very few states have got. Copy will be not legal, but certainly will come as illegal, that unauthorized copy, but you can download from the internet, any person residing in UP. And old age pension is another scheme. Social, those who are below poverty line, this is an area where a scholarship, old age and certain schemes you take up, and the money, the dues here is going to the villagers. Certainly we can make change, and they can, people, if you can social all the money, some thousands of crore, and to go to farmer or landless, what is reserved from them, certainly we can say that poverty, we can try to escape the poverty, and we can make changes in the social system and bringing overall trust and confidence of the government that there is a governance happening in the state. So I think now political is coming up. I don't think such a big state, if something is moving, and the smaller state will be much simpler to, I think, implement certain this kind of application. Thank you very much.